Hey folks, Brian Kaplan here with the Bigger Better Biz community, and I've got a quick tech tip just for you. Stay tuned. Hey folks, we noticed that a lot of people are looking for the MindBody login. If you're looking for the MindBody login, you've come to the right place. Now here's the thing. I know that a lot of you are probably going into your browser and you're typing in www.mindbody.com. Well, unfortunately, MindBody, the software provider, doesn't have this URL, or at least it's not working. So a lot of you probably get confused and say, how the heck am I going to log into MindBody? I've got you covered. Instead of typing mindbody.com, we're going to type in mindbodyonline.com. By doing so, you'll be able to find the MindBody login. Notice now we can either get the app, or if you own a business that uses MindBody, you would click on Staff Login. Then you're brought to a page where, we can start searching for your business name. So you would look for your studio. So let's just look up fitness. There we go, Orange Theory Fitness. Since I'm in New Hampshire, it pulled up Concord, New Hampshire, brings me to select. And now it's going to prompt me for that specific location for the email or username and the password. Now, if you're accessing this on a public computer, please make sure that you log out after you use your account and do not save your password to the browser. The last thing you want is someone else accessing your MindBody online portal when they don't run the business. So hopefully this helps when you're searching for the MindBody login. Until next time, I'm Brian Kaplan with the Bigger Better Biz community. I hope you stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and here's to your success. So there you have it, another helpful tech tip from Bigger Better Biz. Now, in order to receive more tips, tricks, and best practices in your inbox, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell. When you do, every time we put up a new video, you'll be notified in your inbox by YouTube. While you're at it, be sure to join our free marketing community. When I say free, I mean free. We created it at the beginning of COVID in response to help as many small business owners as we could. We're growing every day by leaps and bounds, and we'd love to have you as part of the community as well. We provide articles, resources, videos, even access to exclusive webinars with me so that you can grow that bigger, better small business I'm always talking about. There's a lot to learn and a lot to know. As long as you can set your mind to just doing one thing today, you'll get closer to your goal. So get out there and do something. See you next time.